All right, today we're going to take an iPhone 15 case, take a look at it, and if you guys can see it, has a mag charging area and also becomes a kickstand, so you could stand it up or put it sideways if you want to watch some movies. It has pretty much all the features that you require for your iPhone 15, especially this part for all your cameras and other extra features. Your buttons are accessible, and you have all three buttons, and of course your new charging station area for Type-C, and the speakers. Inside, it's kind of like a velvet area here. Now, the case itself, this is flexible, so your camera won't get damaged. This part, I like it. All you gotta do is slip it in there. It goes all around the station, and of course, it has silicone seal, if you guys can see that, so when you hit the ground, it's not gonna shatter or anything. I like all the features that the phone has. Very simple. I like the kickstand. Watch your movie, or maybe watch TikToks or anything else, shorts. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe